Is your phone dying way faster than it used to, getting hot for no reason, or shutting off randomly even when it says there's plenty of battery left? Maybe you've noticed your phone acting up at the worst possible times, like when you need it most. Let's get to the bottom of what's really going on with your phone's battery and figure out how to fix it. Maybe you charge it all night, but by lunchtime it's already begging for more power. Or worse, it suddenly shuts down at 30% or 40%. That's not just annoying, it can be a real problem if you rely on your phone for work, school, or emergencies. These are classic signs your battery is wearing out and can't keep up with your daily needs anymore. Over time, every phone battery degrades, no matter how careful you are. It's just a fact of life with modern devices. After hundreds of charge cycles, your battery just can't hold as much power as it did when it was new. You might notice it takes longer to charge or the battery drains much faster than before. If your phone is getting hot for no clear reason or charging super slowly, your battery could definitely be the culprit. But don't panic, there are solutions. You don't always need to rush out and buy a brand new phone just because your battery is acting up. Sometimes a few simple tricks, like changing your charging habits, updating your software, or even swapping out the battery, can make your phone feel brand new again. In this guide, we'll walk you through easy fixes you can try at home and show you step-by-step how to replace your battery if it comes to that. Let's get your phone back to all-day power so you can stay connected and worry-free. Before you do anything else, make sure to back up your data, photos, contacts, messages, and any important files you don't want to lose. Accidents can happen at any time, and having a backup means you won't lose precious memories or critical information if something goes wrong. If you're using an iPhone, you can back up your device using iCloud for a wireless option, or connect your phone to a computer and use Finder or iTunes for a local backup. Both methods are reliable, so choose what works best for you. For Android users, head to your settings and look for Google Backup. Make sure it's turned on so your apps, photos, and settings are safely stored in your Google account. You can also use manufacturer-specific backup tools if available. Once your data is secure, it's time to check your battery's health. This step is crucial, especially if your phone has been acting up or losing charge quickly. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Battery, then select Battery Health and Charging. Here, you'll see your battery's maximum capacity and whether it's performing at its best. If your iPhone's battery health is below 80%, it means the battery is significantly worn out and may not hold a charge well. On Android, check under Settings in the Battery or Device Care section for a built-in health checker. If your phone doesn't show this info, try a trusted app like AccuBattery to get a detailed report on your battery's condition. If you see a warning like Service or Needs Attention, don't ignore it. This means your battery needs professional attention or replacement soon. Understanding your battery's condition helps you decide whether a simple fix will do, or if it's time to consider a replacement for better performance. With your data safely backed up and your battery status checked, you're now prepared to move forward with confidence. Let's try some easy fixes first before jumping to a replacement. Ready to get started? Let's go. First, restart your phone. It might sound basic, but a simple restart can clear out temporary glitches and refresh your system, often solving battery drain issues instantly. Many people overlook this step, but it's quick and can make a big difference. Next, close any apps running in the background. It's simple, but it can fix battery drain from stuck or misbehaving apps that keep using power even when you're not using them. After that, update your phone's software and all your apps. Developers release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, and these updates often include important battery life improvements. Then, check your battery usage in the settings. You'll see which apps are using the most power. Sometimes it's a surprise. Delete or limit the worst offenders. If you notice an app draining your battery, consider uninstalling it or restricting its background activity. Always use the original charger and cable that came with your phone or a certified replacement. This ensures safe and efficient charging. Cheap or off-brand chargers can slow down charging, cause overheating, or even damage your battery over time. Clean your charging port gently with a plastic toothpick. Lint and dust can build up inside, blocking the connection and making charging unreliable. Try recalibrating your battery. Let your phone completely die, then charge it to 100% without any interruptions. This can help your phone read the battery level more accurately. These easy steps can solve most battery issues, and you don't need any tools or technical skills to try them. Give them a shot before moving on to more advanced fixes. If your battery's still struggling after all this, it might be time for a replacement. Don't worry though, replacing a battery is easier than you think. We'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get hands-on and bring your phone back to life. Tried everything and your battery's still bad? Time for a replacement. If you're under warranty, let the pros handle it. Out of warranty? You can do this. Get a repair kit and a quality replacement battery for your phone model. Power off your phone and remove any case. Follow a video guide for your exact phone. Each model is different. Usually, you'll heat the edges, lift the screen with a suction cup, and carefully disconnect cables. Gently remove the old battery, never puncture it. Install the new one, reconnect, and reassemble. Take your time and be patient. It's a challenge, but totally doable. Ready for the final step? Congrats! Power on your phone and check everything. Screen, camera, charging. Let it charge to 100%, then use and recharge a few times to calibrate the new battery. Recycle your old battery at an electronics store. Never toss it in the trash. To keep your battery healthy, avoid extreme heat and try to keep it between 20% and 80% charge. Lower screen brightness, use Wi-Fi over cellular, and turn off unused features like Bluetooth. Small, frequent charges are better than letting it die or charging overnight. With these habits, your battery will last longer. You've learned how to diagnose, fix, and maintain your phone's battery. Enjoy your all-day power.